Hey there, Ron Gilak here, and have you ever had a bad upline or bad upline support? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you have a bad upline and still be able to grow your business. Stay tuned, you're going to love this video. Welcome back. Today we're talking about how do you deal with a bad upline. So I've been talking to a number of coaching clients recently with this exact problem, and today I'm just in straight hustle mode, hitting the phones today. So realizing that not everyone has a strong upline, how do you still grow your business? So I'm going to give you a few tips today. Number one, the first thing to do is realize that there's always somebody else above your upline that is financially incentivized to help you. So you don't have to work with your upline. You can fire your upline, right? So, excuse me. Just because somebody brought you into the company and you signed up with them, they're your sponsor, doesn't mean that you have to work with them, right? Network marketing and is a business that you're in for yourself. You're essentially a kind of an entrepreneur now, right? So your upline success or lack of success does not have any bearing or indication on your success and what you can do, right? So the second thing to do is to accept full responsibility for your success and failure. Anytime we can say things like, oh, you know, my sponsor isn't local, my sponsor isn't here, I don't have somebody to do three-way calls with, I don't have anybody that's doing presentations in my area. Anytime that you can sort of, really what this is blaming the lack of something that you think you need to have success. When you're blaming that on somebody else or some other thing, you're not being powerful. You're not keeping your power because you're not accepting responsibility for your results. So realize that the person that is responsible for the results in your business is you, not your downline, not your upline. You are the only one that is in control of your own actions and emotions and how you can choose to do business. So regardless if you have a great upline or not, you can still have success. So some tips and things that I've done is that I've gone find somebody higher up in the chain that is financially incentivized to work with you and support you. The other thing that you can do is you can invest in training courses, go to live events, go to the company meetings, right? Go to your annual convention, those kind of things. You have to invest in yourself. Get script books, get training courses. I provide a lot of these kind of things for my team and for you guys at rongilak.com, right? So there's a lot of other resources and things and videos like this that can help you. I realize that not everybody has a strong upline or you know, as part of a team like mine. So I make a lot of these videos to help you still have success in your company that you're in. So these have been some tips to how to still grow your business if you don't have the best support and not a strong upline. If you'd like some additional training on how to recruit leaders into your organization to start attracting those good uplines and really powerful network marketers, I want you to click the link below this video. I have a free training for you on how to recruit more leaders into your organization. I'm Ron Gilak, empowering you to prosper, making an awesome day, and enjoy the